As the point of climate change irreversibility draws closer, the need for a renewed focus on achieving the 17 Sustainable Development Goals, or SDGs, established by the United Nations Agenda 2030 becomes all the more important if we are to eradicate poverty, protect our planet, and ensure prosperity. This need is all the more evident in the wake of the destruction caused by COVID-19 to people and economies worldwide. A shift to a more sustainable economic model could generate 24 million additional jobs globally by 2030. The goods and services industry alone can create over $2.5 trillion annually, and it is rising at a pace of over 8% each year. Globally, there is growing agreement that taxing greenhouse gas emissions like carbon is the primary solution to combat climate change and promote sustainable development. However, should global economies embrace policy measures that support old economic structures, particularly those that further entrench carbon-intensive development? Or should they see COVID-19 as an opportunity to shape a better future that markedly improves sustainability outcomes? A new study published in the Journal of Public Affairs seeks to find the answer. The study recommends a reformed carbon tax system based on CO2 emissions from companies. While companies are liable to pay tax, some large companies relocate their operations to reduce their tax burden. Rather than charging corporations based on where they manufacture and sell, this study proposes charging corporations based on the quantity of CO2 they emit while manufacturing and recycling goods. This reformed carbon tax will enable the sustainable development and transition of our conventional economy to a circular economy. Therefore, in the aftermath of COVID-19, restructuring the tax system is the next obvious step toward an economic reboot and sustainable recovery.